Welcome and thanks for joining me at Carol's Sewing Corner and choosing my mask instructions. I'll be walking you through my step-by-step instructions and video on how to make masks. Number one, you cut fabric out using both patterns, and the patterns are available to you for download, and I'll include a link during this segment. After you cut out both patterns using the patterns, sew the outer curve as you see the arrows indicated at a 1/4 inch seam allowance for the face mask and also for the lining. On the lining fabric, turn in the edges a 1/2 inch, press and stitch close to the raw edge as indicated by the arrows. Number 4, pin the right sides together of the lining and the face mask and stitch at the top and the bottom of the mask at 1/4 inch seam allowance. Number 5, after sewing the top and bottom of the masks, trim the top at the center to round off the edges as indicated in the second picture. Turn the masks right side out and then press all sides. After you press each side, fold the mask in half and press it in half. Don't forget to use your steam. Number 7, on the edge of the face mask, turn the raw edges in 1/8 inch and then again a 1/2 inch and stitch close to the edge as indicated by the arrows, and this will form your casing for your elastic or string, whichever one you decide to use. With the safety pin, thread the elastic or string through both casings. Make sure your elastic is not twisted. Zigzag on the elastic to join. You can also secure the elastic to the actual face mask. This will stop the elastic from twisting or turning or slipping from around the ear. Clip any loose threads, give your mask one final press, and you're done. Wash your hands and stay safe.